economics. So last class we had discussed about indifference curve. Indifference curve, another. It's a graphical representation of what? Two combination of goods. Yeah, it's a two goods with a lot of combinations. So we are discussing everything under ordinal utility approach. Ordinal in the sense what it is rank or preference. Okay. So for what we are going to give preference. For which combination we are going to give preference. That is called as ordinal utility approach. And what do you mean by indifference map? Indifference map is a family of indifference curve. Yeah. Yes. So now we will discuss the properties of indifference curve. We'll discuss. First one is indifference curve is always in convex in shape. You can see convex. Okay, this is what convex. This we will call it as concave. Okay. So why it is convex in shape? Because let's see. Indifference curve is convex to origin because diminishing MRS. So what is MRS? Marginal rate of substitution. Yes or no? So what is that MRS? So one commodity, one combination sacrifice to gain another combination. Yeah. So in our example, we have discussed apple and banana. When banana increases, sorry, apple increases, banana decreases. Simultaneously, when apple decreases, banana increases in this combination. The last class you both said you like apple compared to banana, right? So you all said last combination, 5 apple and 1 banana. Nyavarka in previous session. Fine.
Yes,
So
sir.
here, that's the reason what happened here. The curve is convex in shape. Convex in the sense means what? So due to uh, the MRS. That is the first reason. And second properties of IC curves slopes downward. Yes or no, slopes downward. So already this is x-axis, y-axis. Already the curve is in convex. Again, you can see the curve slopes downward, right? Downward in the sense. What's the reason? Let's see. So it implies that a consumer consumes more of one goods, he must consume less of other goods. Yes or no? So when we eat more of apple, we will eat less of banana, right? Yes or no? So these are
Yes.
the combinations we have discussed in our example. So banana and apple. So when we consume more banana, so the apple we will consume less. It's vice versa. Fine. So that's the reason what happened. The curve slopes downward. Okay, it happens because if consumer decides to have more units of one good, say apple, he will have to reduce the number of units of another goods, say banana. So the total satisfaction remains same. Okay, so here that's the reason. Okay, so why the curve slopes downward? Okay, we can see the curve slopes downward because at a time we can't eat both the commodity. Okay, so when when we are happy or satisfied with one commodity, we will reduce the consumption of another commodity. That's the reason. The next one is family of indifference curve, which is called as indifference map. Do you remember? In previous session, we have discussed IC1, IC2, IC3. Do you remember IC1, IC2, IC3? So which one is the maximum satisfaction? So this combination which gives maximum satisfaction. Yes or no? Compared to IC1. IC1 is the
Yes, sir.
least. Okay, so IC3 gives the maximum level of satisfaction. Higher indifference curve represents large bundle of goods, which mean utility becomes utility because of monotonic preference. What do you mean by monotonic preference? Anyone? Last class we have studied. What is monotonic preference? Anyone? What do you mean by monotonic? Which one gives the maximum satisfaction? That is called as monotonic. Yeah, monotonic. So you can see there are lot of combinations. Among that various combination, which combination gives the maximum satisfaction that we will choose? Yeah, but the bundles means what? This is what bundle. Each bundles which carries different fruit. Okay, apples, bananas. Okay. So which bundles gives most satisfaction? Every bundle gives actually the things are same. Okay, it's a fruit. Only quantity differs different kind of fruits. But which one gives the maximum satisfaction? It is according to our preference, our choice. Some say apple is more tastiest fruit than banana. Some people say banana is sufficient than apple. So it is according to their preference. That is why it is called as monotonic preference. So next one is indifference curve never intersect. What do you mean by intersect? So this is what called as intersect. You can see. So it won't touch each other. That is the fourth property of what? Indifference curve. Okay. So why? Because each bundle gives a satisfaction. Any or anything which gives satisfaction. But which combination is more? That is the highest level of satisfaction. Okay, fine. As two curves cannot represent the same level of satisfaction, they cannot intersect each other. It means only when one indifference curve will pass through a given point on a indifference map. Okay. So what they are saying, what is indifference curve in the sense the bundles of goods, bundles. Okay. Apple, banana. Okay, it's a bundle. So this one is a bundle. Second one bundle. First bundle consists of one apple, 10 banana. Second bundle consists of two apple, 8 banana. Third bundle consists of what? Four apple, 6 banana, like that. So different bundle represents different curve. So always indifferent curve never intersects each other. Got my point? What do you mean by intersects? That means this point we will call it as intersect. Okay. So even indifference map also we have seen family of indifference curve, which is everything is parallel to each other. Yes. Clear?
Yes,
Any
sir.
doubts? Any doubts,
No
guys?
doubt, sir.
What about you, Miss Alabu Srinidhi?
Yes, sir.
Okay, next we will go for budget line. So what is budget? Anyone? Do you have habits of doing good? Do you have habits of doing budget in your home, in your family? No?
No, no, sir.
For example, so
Sir,
suppose சொல்லுங்க வர்ஷினி. Yes, no.
sir, when I go shopping with my sister, sir.
Okay, good. So what is budget? Let me share you an example. So I'm just asking you, I want to buy a mobile phone. So which one you will suggest? அப்படின்னா உங்ககிட்ட கேட்கிறேன். I ask your opinion to suggest me a mobile phone. Immediately what you will say, the first question, what is your budget? Yes, yes or no?
Yes,
In
sir.
the in the market, it is possible for us to buy a mobile from some 1,000 rupees or to 1 lakh. Yes or no? Yes. So it is there in the market from 1,000 to 1 lakh. So which budget do you want? That is the first question you ever ask. Okay, not only in a mobile phone, even if you want to say, sir, I want to buy a bike. So immediately the question goes, what is the budget? Either 1 lakh or between 1 lakh to 2 lakh. So what is budget now? Can you get? I think you might get some idea about that.
Yes, sir.
What is budget now? Okay, fine. So first thing is whether it is possible in my paying budget, which represents my paying capacity. Yes or no? So while I buy mobile phone, I am asking you. So which mobile shall I prefer? You might say you will ask what is the budget. So I will say 15,000. So 15,000 in the sense that is my paying capacity, right? Yes or no? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what is budget line? Let us back to the point. Anything which comes under line or curve, it means always it represents what? It's a graph. Okay, fine. So now let's back to point. Budget line is a graphical representation of all possible combination of two goods. Okay, which can be purchased with given income and price. Yes or no? Income and price of whom? Consumer. Yes or no? Such that the cost of each of these combination is equal to the money of the consumer. Okay. So, can you able to hear me? Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
So, I would like to highlight you one small
Sir.
example. Yes. So, have you tasted a food called caviar? I'm sorry, caviar. At least, have you heard the word called
No,
caviar?
sir.
No. Okay, it's a kind of fish. Okay, it's a fish. The fish egg வந்து பார்த்தோம்னாக்கா most expensive food in the world. Okay, so one
Your
small
voice is breaking, sir.
voice is breaking. What about you, Varshini? Can you able to hear me?
Sir, yes, sir, but little bit, sir.
Okay.
What is breaking, sir? But I can hear you, sir.
I think some network issues, I think. Now, can you hear me, guys?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear? Can you able to hear me clearly? Hello, Srinidhi. Can you able to hear me?
Sir?
Can you able to
Yes,
hear
sir.
me? Okay. So let me share you one example. So this is what caviar, okay? So this is what caviar. Do you know the cost of this egg? So actually, they used to take this from fish. Okay. So what is the price? You can see. Can you assume the guess? So that is 30 grams. You can see 30 grams, 8,000 to 18,000 rupees. Okay. The whole 30 grams in the sense we know very well. Am I audible? கேக்குதாமா?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
30
sir.
grams. Okay, 30 grams. It's not even a 50 grams. So 30 grams, 8,000 to 18,000. So it is actually we won't consume in India, but in European nations they will consume. Okay, this is the fish called caviar. Okay, so actually this is the fish. It will grow in this much size. Okay, so they will eat the egg in raw. Okay, they will not cook or they will not do anything. So just they will cut the fish and they will get the egg in raw. Okay, this is how they will collect eggs. It is available in YouTube. You can watch it later. So this is how they will cut, and they will remove the egg and they will export. Okay, it's a very this is what 30 grams. Okay, in this small tin they used to pack, and it will cost very expensive. Fine. So who will buy this food? The people, those who have that much income. Yes, yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, so that means what? That shows their purchasing capacity. Next one is their income. Yes. So that is what called as budget line. Okay, fine. 1 minute. Am I audible, guys? Either.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Okay, fine. So is it is it possible for me to buy that food and eat? Huh? No, right? So fine. So here, what is budget line is the means the income and price purchase price income and price. Okay. So the what is budget in the sense it is a planning. Okay, we will plan in advance. If we are constructing a home, we in advance we will plan. Okay, what is the budget? 25 lakhs or 2.5 crore. It depends. Fine. So what is budget line? It's a graphical representation of all actually possible combination of two goods. The goods that can be purchased by whom? The consumer for the income and price. Okay, the budget line is the locus of different combination of different of goods, two goods, which the consumer consumes and which cost exactly is income. Okay, according to his income. So both banana as well as this apple, it must comes under the consumer's income, and also the price also that must match to the incomes of the consumer. So those so that only he can able to buy. So which is to be called as budget line. Got my point? Clear? Any doubts?
No, sir.
Okay. So what is budget set then? Actually, in probability, we might be studied earlier. So in probability, what they will say, if I toss a head, if I toss a coin, okay, 1 rupee coin இருக்குன்னு வச்சுக்கோங்க. Suppose if I toss, what are the combination I will get heads and tails? Do you remember? In probability, we might be studied. First, we two chances maybe might get head, or else two chances we might get tails, or else we might get head or tail, or else tail or head. This is what probability, right? Do you remember? Guys, do you remember the probability? Where how many chances are
Yes,
there
sir.
in there? So when we toss a coin, there are possibilities to get both the time head. There are the possibility to get both the time tails. So there are the possibility one time we can get one time head and one time tail. Simultaneously one time tail, one time head. This which is to be called as probability and this is called as set. Okay. The same thing which comes under budget set. What is budget set? It is set of all possible combination of two goods which a consumer can afford given his income and price in the market. Okay, all the combinations. For you can see the budget set. You can see the example 0 0 0 1 0 2 1 1 0 2 0 1 1. Okay, so this is what called as what budget set. Okay, so what is budget line in the sense? Budget line in the sense the what a consumer who can able to buy that particular commodity, that means his income is and it's the price of the commodity. Within that he will plan the expenditure. So what is budget set? In the sense all the possible combinations where a consumer can buy two commodities. What are all the combinations? So that we will call it as a budget set. Clear? Any doubts? Any doubts, guys? Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Am I audible, both of them? Oh, I got only one.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, thank you, thank you. What about Varshini? Whether she is here or she left?
She's here only, sir.
Okay, okay, okay. Shall I continue then?
Yes, sir.
What about Varshini? Are you there? Okay, fine.
Sir, can you able to hear me, sir?
Yes, no, yes, no, I can hear you. Okay. So this is what budget set you can see. Combination, okay, the E, F, G, H, all those things are different combinations. So what is banana? One banana, 4 rupees. Okay, yeah, they had given example. One apple, 4 rupees, one banana, 2 rupees. Okay, so you can see this is what cash we have. Okay, I have only 20 rupees cash in my hand. Okay, so in that, how many combinations I can buy? Can you able to follow me, guys? But just set in the sense all
Yes,
the
sir.
combinations what I can able to buy with the given money. So you can see the 20 rupees, how many apple I can buy? So 5 apple, right? That means one
Yes,
banana,
sir.
one apple is 4 rupees. So 20, sorry. 5 into 4, which is equal to 20. So is it possible for me to buy? That means 5 apple and 0 banana because I don't have money to bought. I don't have money to buy banana. So 0. Okay. So you can see one apple cost 4 rupees. One banana costs 2 rupees. So cash in my hand is 20 rupees. That is my budget. I can't buy more than that. Okay. So first combination, either I can buy all the entire money for apple. And second combination F, in a combination F, what I can do, I can able to buy 4 apple. 4 into 4 5 are okay. 4 into 4 16, right? Then it is possible for me to buy another combination, that is what, one banana costs 2 rupees. So 2 into 2 I can able to buy. So that means 4. So total 20 rupees. So second set is 4 into 4 apple and 2 into 2 banana. So for 20 rupees I can go for second combination. And third combination G, okay. Either I can go for 3 apple, that is 3 into 4, that is 12. Then I can go for 3 banana, 3 into 2, that is 6. So 20 rupees. Got it? So this is what called as budget set. Clear? Any doubts, guys? Any
No,
doubts,
sir.
both of you?
No doubt, sir.
Okay, okay. So fine. So this is with this we can able to come to a formula. Okay, so what is the formula for budget set? A budget line you can see here. This is the formula. So that means P suffix A, that is price of apple, into QA, that is quantity of apple, plus price of banana into quantity of banana, which is equal to what, budget line. Clear? So here just now we have seen, okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
in previous example, they come to a conclusion. So one banana, how much price of the banana is? Sorry, apple is 4 rupees. So I can go for 4 quantity, 4 apples. So this is price of apple, and I can go for price of, sorry, I can buy 4 numbers of apple. So which cost for me 16 rupees. So next one is I can go for 2 into 2. That is, this is price of banana. This is number of banana I bought. So finally, what is the price? 22 4. So 4 rupees. So what is the total cost? That is 20 rupees. So with this, they come to a conclusion. So this is the formula we got to calculate budget line. That is P suffix A into Q suffix B. Sorry, Q suffix A plus P suffix B into Q suffix B. Got it? Clear? Any doubts?
No doubt, sir.
Okay, fine. So we just